Okay, today I'm going to show how to do chapter 5 independent project 56B, which is mail merge. So I've already downloaded my file and I've enabled editing, so I'm ready with that. So I can start working on my next step. So I go to the mailings tab and then do start mail merge. And under that, I select labels because it says folder labels. So I'm looking for labels and every US letter and file folder labels. Okay. So now my labels are created. Now I have to select the Excel file, which I've already downloaded. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to select recipients. And I'm going to do use an existing list. And then I have it in my downloads folder. So I'm going to go open that. And employees, yes. And then check this box to make sure the first row contains column headers. There you go. So right now, all we see is the metadata. We don't even see the data loaded, but we can see all the number of labels that are created here would match the number of records or the number of rows in the Excel file. So edit the recipient list. So now we can edit the recipient list by clicking here. As you can see, it imported all the Excel file fields here. So now we can edit it and we can sort it ascending by last name and hit OK. Select the entire document and change the font. So I like to do Control A, which selects the entire document, and then you can go to home and you can type Cambria 10 and hit enter. And then the after paragraph has to be 0. So I want to make sure the after paragraph is 0. And we're good. Then we place the insertion point in the first label and insert the last and first fields. So we go back to our mailings tab and we do insert merge field, and it says last, insert, first, insert, and I'm going to close it for just a second because it wants me to separate the last name and the first name with a comma and a space. So done with that. And then hit enter and type the word employee number and a colon and a space. Space once and insert the employee number merge field. So I go back and look for employee number, which is here, and hit insert. So it inserted employee number. Press enter and insert the department merge field. So we do department. And then say space once and do department. Actually type the word department. So done. Select the first line and apply bold, italic, and small cap. So the first line is this. So I'm going to select the first line and either go home and bold, italic, or Control B, Control I. And small caps formatting is found in the font. And then OK. So the first line is formatted. Now you can do update labels. So right now, all you see is next record. Whatever changes that you have made here are not reflected in the next records. So for that to happen, you have to update your labels. So because my Word document is really small, you can't see. Now you can see everything spread out. Now you can see update labels here. When you do that, every single label that you have is updated with the prototype. So right now, these are basically placeholders for the information that's coming off the Excel file. Now, if you want to see how it looks once you finish the merge, then you can actually look at preview. See all the records it pulled from the Excel file. It formatted it in the format we have specified. So looks good, but before the submission, I'm supposed to turn off the preview and then save my work. Now, if for whatever reason it doesn't let you save it, just hit OK and go to File and do Save As. save as, and then choose any other folder or the same folder, and then just put a parentheses and the one and close the parentheses, and then save it. It'll let you save it like that. Now go to your assignment page, upload your file. I think it's on my desktop. Yeah, 1070. This is the one. This was the one that I downloaded, but I had to save it as something else because it didn't let me save. So open, submit. And yep, there you go. Everything is correct. It all looks good. Alrighty.